Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings and go to Accessibility to set up Magnifier on your Samsung phone. Tap Visibility Enhancements and then choose Magnifier from the list. Turn Magnifier on to make it appear in Quick Settings. To add a tile, open Quick Settings, tap Edit, and drag the Magnifier tile into view. Once added, tap the tile to open the magnifier immediately. You can also enable the accessibility shortcut to launch it with the side key triple press. Point the camera at the text or object you want to enlarge while holding the phone steady. Drag the zoom slider to change magnification between 1x and 15x for the best detail. Tap the freeze button to lock the image for clearer reading and to take a snapshot. Use the flashlight toggle to brighten dim subjects and select a contrast preset to make text sharper. Pinch or spread with 2 fingers to fine-tune zoom and positioning for comfortable viewing. Open the magnifier settings to customize controls and shortcuts for faster use. Set the accessibility shortcut to the side key triple press for quick magnifier access from any screen. Adjust preset contrast and brightness levels to suit low light or glare situations for better readability. Turn on auto brightness to help the camera adapt to changing illumination automatically. Enable zoom memory so the app restores your last magnification level when you reopen Magnifier for consistent viewing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.